everyone, happy World Book Day. I wonder if you can guess which character I am. I'm going to give you a clue. The witch had a cat and a very tall hat and long ginger hair that she wore in a plait. How the cat purred and how the witch grinned as they sat on the broomstick and flew through the wind. Now, I have lost my wand because over the reeds and the rivers they flew, the birds shrieked with glee and the stormy wind blew. They shot through the sky to the back of beyond. The witch clutched her bow but let go of her wand. Down, cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the wand, but no one could be found. I wonder if I'll find it today. Did you guess? That's correct. I am dressed as the witch from Room on the Broom. Now, I hope that you are all dressed up at home, and I would love to see some of your pictures today. So take a picture and email it to your teacher year group email address. I know I have seen one or two pictures already, and I'd like to share with you some of the pictures of some of the other staff in school and see if you can guess which character from the book they have dressed up as. Let's have a look. Fantastic! Did you spot Superman, Alice in Wonderland, Harry Potter? Harry Potter's very busy. He's been in lots of different classrooms this morning. The Gruffalo's come to school. We've got G.I. Jane. We've got Little Miss Sunshine. Lots and lots of fabulous characters in school today. And it's not just the staff that look fantastic today. We have got lots of other book characters in school in every bubble that is in. And some of you from home have already sent your teachers some photographs of you in fantastic costumes today. We've got Roman soldiers, we've got Scooby-Doo. So keep sending them in. They won't all be able to be shared in my assembly this morning, but I'm going to have a look. So I'm going to ask your teachers to share them with me. Here are the pictures that we've had so far. So, World Book Day's mission is to celebrate reading for pleasure and give every child a book of their own. It's a special day to celebrate reading for pleasure, a day in which people all over the world might share stories, pretend to be their favourite book character, and even dress up as them, which we've done. You might enjoy reading for more of the day than usual or having fun sharing a story with some special people. Now, this can be done at school or at home. And World Book Day reminds us how much fun reading for pleasure can be and how successful it can help us to become, because if we can read, the world is our oyster. we can read, we're equipped with all the life skills we need. If we can read, we can get better at our learning. We can learn about things that we've got inquiring minds about. We can find out about anything and be the best we can possibly be. We can find books in lots of places, at school, at home, in the library and in the shops, and there are lots of different types or genres of books. How many of these genres have you heard of or read? Non-fiction, adventure, science fiction, fairy tale, biography, fantasy, an autobiography, a mystery, an instructional text, a comedy, a myth or a legend. I'm sure many of you have experienced reading lots of those genres in one way or another. If you're thinking, well, I haven't read a book linked to that genre, or you're unsure what one of those genres is, ask an adult, ask an older sibling, ask your teacher, drop them an email, or choose a book of a genre that you haven't read before. Now, it did mention earlier that part of World Book Day aims to give every child a book of their own, and you can do that through the £1 book token that we will be sending you via email to spend from today until the 28th of March. Every year there are books that are especially written to celebrate World Book Day, like the ones you can see here, and you can find out more about these books on the World Book Day website. And all these books are available to buy with your token at a local bookshop. When you receive your email from your teacher, as an attachment, if you open up the attachment, you will find your book token and it will look like this. Now, you can either ask an adult to print it off, or if they've got it on their phone, they can access their email on the phone. Some shops will accept the digital barcode there when you collect your book. Now, I've had a look, and the nearest shop that will accept these vouchers and sell books is the Tesco's on Herries Road. So you must ask your grown-up if they can download your voucher and collect a book from you from the Tesco's in Herries Road, and that needs to be done by March the 28th. If you're struggling to do this, please let your teacher know when you come back to school on Monday, and we can see what we can do to help you. Make sure you have fun choosing your book, and make sure you spend that book token. So today your teachers have planned lots of different fun activities around reading. You could be talking about your favourite book, talking about your favourite character in the book, your favourite illustrator, who your favourite author is. You could be doing some online workshops with authors and learning where they get their ideas from to write such an imaginative and creative stories. So many activities planned, but I've got another one for you here, and it's the World Book Day Scavenger Hunt Challenge. So you can complete this at school or at home with lots of different types of books that you find. And for this activity, it would be useful to have lots of different books available. And what you need to do is find the items on the list in the books, write the title of the book and the page number in the book where you found the item. And then each scavenger hunt also has an additional challenge for you to complete once you've found lots of the items. So I'm going to share with you now an example of one for early years and Key Stage 1. You can see there you need to find a book that has a bear in it, an aeroplane and a witch. Okay, write the book title and the page number and tell us whether you found that item as a word, a picture or both. And for Key Stage 2, again, a similar table. And then items you need to find: a really great sentence, a word you don't know the meaning of, a moral or lesson that can be learnt, a sentence that would be said in a particular way, whether it be shouting, whispering or weeping. So any book, can you find some of those sentences? Remember to write the book title and the page number. I'm going to add these scavenger hunts to the assembly blog so you can download them and have a look at them and have a go at playing this game. Also, and I talked about this last week, have you been the Share a Story Reading Stars? How many of those reading stars have you completed this week? If you haven't done any yet, then you can start that today and you can continue it next week. And basically, as you can see here, it says, are you a Share a Story Reading Star? It suggests different places that you can read, whether it's on the sofa, you could read to your pet, you could read aloud in a funny voice, you could read in your garden, or you could read in a den that you've built. Some really great ideas there, so get reading and see if you can be a reading star and manage to complete all those challenges. Again, I will share these on the blog so you can download them and have a go. Now, I know this is the moment you've all been waiting for, the big reveal. How many did you guess right? Did you watch the Mass Reader video? I hope so. I'm now going to share with you a video that reveals which member of staff was underneath that mask. Now, if you have emailed your answer sheet to your year group app, then any of you that scored 12 or above may get a little prize next week when you're back in school. So let's have a look. Can't take any more entries that are emailed after this video has been blogged, because you've had since Tuesday to have a look at the video and have a go at guessing. So how many did you get right? They were good, weren't they? Let's have a look then.
Who am I? It's Mrs. Capella, Year 4 teacher. Did you manage to guess who it was?
Hi, it's me, Mrs. Bridges, and I was reading Revolting Rhymes. I was reading Little Red Riding Hood, and I was the wolf.
Did you guess who I am? I'm not Dennis the Menace. Who can I be? Let's have a look and check and see. Yes, it's me. It's Mrs. Bywater. Tea party. Did you guess who I am? Let's take a look.
Did you guess who I am? It's me.
Miss Hemingway. Have you guessed who I am yet? It's me, Mrs. Duckworth. So, can you guess who's behind the broccoli mask? It's me, Mrs. Collins. Happy World Book Day.
Did you guess who I am? A masked reader. That's right, it's me, Miss Owen.
Sure, come on. You guessed it. It's me.
It's from Year 6. Guess who was hiding under the mask?
Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Hanson. Hi. Did you guess who I am? It's Miss Callahan, Year 3 teacher. Did anyone guess me right? Hello, Hooklo. Do you know who I am?
So don't forget today, there are lots of super exciting activities that your teachers have planned for you during World Book Day. I'd like you, if you can, to have a go at the scavenger hunt. I'm going to blog the activity sheets, which you can download and have a go at. And then share some of that work with your teachers at the year group at email address. Now, next week, I will be zooming into your classrooms to do my assembly. I am so excited. I can't wait to see you all back in school. Yay! I really look forward to greeting you all with a big smile on Monday when you come into school. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your week, everyone. Have a fabulous World Book Day. Enjoy that reading. Have a look at those reading stars. Take some pictures of your costumes, of the fun places you like to read, and I will see you next week to hear all about it. Bye-bye.